Thank you very much, thank you. Thank you so much, thank you.
Thank you very much.
So what you're going to learn here today is how do you remove the engine oil from the BMW 225.
It's showtime.
Drain. Should be a 17. Set to lefty loosey. This flap was a pain on the other one, so I don't know how to hold it back really. Feel the sunbung now. Don't need that, do I? So this is an expanding ratchet, so you can with it. But if you need a bit more, whoa, you get a bit more leverage. It's very useful. I don't actually own one myself. This is Brian's, but I would like to own one. Just get the bucket out of the way. Nice and tight, this one. Oh. Super tight. I don't think it was done up with an impact, but it was tight. See if I can undo it by hand now. Just for the fun aspect. So, I don't know if you can see it up there. There it is. All looking real tidy too. I got a brand new copper washer for it. Yeah, I can undo it by hand. So, bets on how much oil I get on my hand. Oh, maybe I can't. Oh, nearly. So weak. I always think I can do something and then I go, oh, I can't do it. So look for the copper washer. Make sure, see I got mine, make sure you take it with you. Don't guess it drops into the bucket, you can never tell. And see what sort of mess I make now. It's a long bung. Oh shit! Run on the ramp. I'm gonna need towels, please. It just puked all down the. Oh man, that's hot. All down the inside of the ramp. God damn it! It just went boff over there. I was like, no way, man. Man, that's hot. Well, bit of a clean up job to do. Oh, down my glove. Ow, that's hot. If I let it go, it's just going to spew all over the ramp. Oh, God, no. It's still going. There. Oh no, it's on the flap. Get off the flap, you bastard. Damn it. It's quite a clean up job I got. Do you want to bring the bucket of rags over here? I need to find a way of keeping that flap out of the way. Crush washers, this is the new one. I'm going to get you out into the sunlight, I think. Oh, lovely. And the old one I've left on there. Look at that, somebody's hit it. Didn't want to come off at some point, so somebody's actually given it a whack. Look at that. So you can see the thickness difference between the new and the old crush washer. And that's why we use a new one, because I think that one's at the end of its days. It's lovely and flat. And the new one will crush up and do a beautiful job. But yeah, somebody couldn't undo it at some point. It's given it a bit of a whack to get it started. Alright, okay. Let's pop the new one back in, and then I'm going to tidy up all the mess I've made. I didn't realise it would go so stupidly and just chuck itself everywhere. I didn't realise that. I've got one beautiful clean-up job ahead of me now. Shoot. Oil is insidious, it gets everywhere. Oh, it's my first time. Okay, 25 newton meters. So 25 newton meters is kind of like, you know, if you nip up a spark plug. So nip up a spark plug. I'm a messy puppy. Stupid idiot as well. I mean, apprentice grade idiocy. But it's my first time. I never thought it would spew all over there. I've got some hell of a clean up to do. Right, a quick visual check. Everything's looking pretty chipper up there. So I'll button it up. And forever remind myself that 2 Series love to throw their oil all over the place. Messy puppy, eh? Thanks for watching. Removing the oil sump bung is easy to access, but the oil flap cover, it's really weird how the oil flow gets onto it and then can make a real mess. But what tool would you use to stop that from happening? Very weird. And if any of you are wondering, these covers are really useless, why do manufacturers do it? Well, it's because you're not thinking about what they actually do. And when a car is designed, a modern car, especially a modern BMW, is tested aerodynamically, those panels are there to make the airflow around the BMW go in a particular way. So there's either less air resistance or the air can escape faster. So it's actually about aerodynamics and what's happening. So there is science behind those panels, and they are there for a reason. So don't mock them or criticize them when the manufacturer didn't have to put them there. That would have saved them money, but BMW didn't. They put it there for a reason, and for airflow and aerodynamics. So don't go ripping off the flap cover thinking you're being smart, because you're being very stupid, and that's a very stupid, wrong thing to do. You should put the flap cover back when you found it.
The little rascal has spirit. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.